How to use special abilities in Darkest Days. Unleash your full potential. This guide shows you how to use special abilities in Darkest Days. Your special abilities aren't always available. You must charge the meter by dealing damage to enemies. The more stylish and efficient your kills, the faster your ability will be ready to use. Don't waste your ability on a single zombie. Save it for crowds or bosses. If you are backed up into a corner or teammate is down, that is perfect time to trigger your ultimate to clear the area and reset the fight. Combine your gear with your skills. Use a throwable item like a Molotov to weaken enemies and use a special ability to finish them off. These synergies make even the hardest encounters look easy. Master your skills and rule the wasteland. Like and subscribe for more Darkest Days special ability guides.